Everyone needs more storage space on their mobile devices and digital cameras these days, and thankfully, there's a simple solution called the micro SD card. These things are small, portable, durable, and efficient to deliver heaps of storage space. We did the heavy lifting to single out the top solutions on the current market based on various criteria like value for money, use type, and durability. That said, our top 5 picks await. So let's get going. If you want to save money and still score a solid product, you have to check out the Amazon Basics Micro SD XC, our budget pick for today. Now, this model is simple but functional. It works for phones, tablets, cameras, laptops, and all the other devices, but it's also suitable for the Switch. We're looking at excellent compatibility and read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second, while write speeds reach around 90 megabytes per second. That is optimal for recording high-resolution photos and videos in full HD or 4K resolution. We should also add that the device is waterproof thanks to IPX6 protection and is accompanied by all the durability certificates. The key feature of this card is its versatility and how budget-friendly it is. The model is compact and powerful, capable of holding large numbers of photos, videos, and games and loading them quickly. Plus, it comes with a handy SD adapter for easy file transfer and compatibility with devices that required full-size SD cards. From your smartphone to your GoPro action camera, including your laptop, Nintendo Switch, and even your drone, the Amazon Basics 128GB micro SD XC card is the storage solution your devices need. And thanks to that SD adapter we just mentioned, you can also use it on digital SLR cameras and desktop computers. It offers resistance to water, shock, and extreme temperature from -10 to 80 degrees Celsius. It's also resistant to magnetic fields and X-rays, so you can rely on it to protect your valuable data. Considering the price tag, all we can do is give this model a big thumbs up. If you're looking for the top bang for the buck, the SanDisk Extreme Micro model is the one for you. If you like to have a very large number of photos, videos, and music on your mobile device, this thing packs 256 gigabytes and offers a read speed of up to 160 megabytes per second and a write speed of up to 90 megabytes per second. This means that you'll be able to transfer large amounts of data in a very short time. Also, that 256 gigabyte capacity allows you to store up to 64 hours of full HD videos or more than 46,000 high-resolution photos and hours of music. But that's not all. The SanDisk Extreme card is also water, dust, and shock resistant. This means you can take it anywhere without worrying about data loss. It's ideal for action cameras or drones where vibrations and impacts are a constant threat. Plus, this model comes with a limited lifetime warranty, so you can be sure you're investing in a high-quality, sturdy, long-lasting card. If you buy this card to install it on your Android phone, you'll have an above-average application load thanks to the A2 category. This standard makes sure that the card will withstand at least 4,000 random read operations and 2,000 random write operations per second. Also, Class V is a special class for video recording. The Video Speed Class 30 certification also guarantees at least 30 megabytes per second continuous write speed for smooth, stutter-free 4K video recording. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. For those willing to spend a bit more for top-tier benefits, the Samsung Pro Plus stands out as the best premium micro SD card for 2025. Designed for creative professionals, this card offers a compact yet powerful solution. Available in 128 gigabytes, 256, and 512 gigabyte sizes, it meets diverse storage needs. Samsung boasts an impressive read speed of up to 180 megabytes per second and write speeds of 130 megabytes per second, an upgrade from its predecessor, enhancing read by 12% and write by 8%. The card features A2 application performance and V30 video speed class, essential for fast file transfers and handling large files efficiently. These credentials are proudly marked on the card itself, highlighting its capability to manage demanding tasks seamlessly. In terms of durability, the new Pro Plus Micro SD card advances with 7 layers of protection, whether facing water exposure up to 1 meter of salt water for 72 hours or extreme temperatures from -25 to 85 degrees Celsius. The resilience extends to impact resistance, making this thing a trustworthy companion for those constantly on the move. Samsung enhances the card's appeal with a 10-year warranty, ensuring long-term reliability. Plus, there's a 1-year warranty on the SD adapter included with the card. This This assurance of durability and performance makes the Samsung Pro Plus an ideal choice for professionals who need dependable storage solutions that can keep pace with their creative projects. Whether you're capturing high-definition videos or managing large applications, this card is designed to deliver outstanding results without compromise. If you could afford this beast, we say go for it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now, so make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Up next, meet the SanDisk Extreme Pro, our runner-up best choice for a micro SD card in 2025. This thing is known for its impressive data transfer speeds, very impressive read speeds of up to 200 megabytes per second, and write speeds reaching 140 megabytes per second, all complemented by a video speed class 30 rating. This makes it a fantastic option for shooting 4K videos or managing high-speed data tasks with devices like Android phones, action cams, and drones. Available in capacity starting from 32 gigabytes, the smaller micro SD-HC cards offer read speeds of 100 megabytes per second and write speeds of 90 megabytes per second, while the larger micro SD-XC cards, ranging from 64 gigabytes to 128 gigabytes, boast the full 200 megabytes per second read capability. It's a versatile option, with our 128 gigabyte sample being a sweet spot for storage and speed. Durability is another strong suit of the Extreme Pro. Like its competitors, it withstands shock, temperature extremes, water, and X-rays, making it reliable for diverse environments. While SanDisk doesn't specify the insertion cycle limit, they back these cards with a lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind. The card excels at recording 4K UHD and Full HD videos, as well as capturing high-resolution photos. With an A2 rating, it ensures rapid app performance on your smartphone. What sets it apart is the SanDisk QuickFlow technology, which optimizes the card's performance for saving time when downloading media files. The SanDisk Extreme Pro delivers on its promises with speed and efficiency. Whether you're taking photos or transferring files on your Android device, this card handles tasks swiftly and effectively, offering a great balance between size and price. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Let us now introduce you to the Kingston Canvas Go Plus, the best micro SD card in 2025 and our clear winner for today. This card is perfect for adventurers always ready to capture life's best moments. The Kingston Canvas Go Plus offers the extra storage you need, with a speed to record 4K videos on your phone or action camera. It's also a great fit for expanding your Nintendo Switch's storage, helping to cut down on load times. With a strong reputation in the industry, Kingston delivers quality products, and the Canvas Go Plus is no exception. It features speeds up to 170 megabytes per second, with U3 and V30 ratings ensuring smooth 4K UHD video recording without lag or frame drop. Its A2 app performance boosts app speed on smartphones and tablets, making your workflow more efficient. An optional SD adapter is available for those who need compatibility with SD devices. The V30 video speed class guarantees a minimum write speed of 30 megabytes per second, crucial for 4K video capture as it meets the required minimum speed. With a 256 gigabyte capacity, this card can handle high-resolution photos and videos, making it suitable for most cameras. The Kingston Canvas Go Plus is not just about speed, it's also built to endure tough conditions. It's resistant to water, shock, vibration, X-rays, and temperature extremes, ensuring it survives various environments. This makes it a reliable choice for photographers seeking dependable performance without a hefty price tag. The Kingston Canvas Go Plus is a very cost-effective and efficient storage solution, with impressive read speeds up to 170 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 90 megabytes per second. It meets a wide array of photo and video needs, offering top-notch performance at a great value. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.